5th July allotment plot tour. I'm Kimmy and this is Kimmy's kitchen and garden. Before I show you around, because it is a bit weedy, just a little bit, a few days of hard work will sort that out. But I haven't really been down much very often because the end of last month, beginning of this month, me and my family had COVID and I've been double vaccinated and it hit me quite hard. I didn't go to hospital or anything, but so I had that time of isolation, and then when it was time to come out of isolation I still had low energy, so I was coming down harvesting quite a lot, but I wasn't down as much as I normally am. And with the kids off school on some holidays, I tend not to come down as much because we're busy doing stuff, but just have not had any energy. And since having COVID, I've got a bit of brain fog that just won't go away. I've got numbness at the back of my head that just stays there constantly, and I've got no smell. It's starting to come back slightly sometimes, like comes and goes. So yeah, that's my little update of life. And I really wanted to get the grass cut, and we've had all that rain in July. And the weeds have really loved the rain, as you'll see in a second. So as I'm talking, and if I keep forgetting the names of things, don't blame me, blame the brain fog. I know I was bad before, but I'm even worse now. So let's go see this allotment, see how bad it is, huh? So the grass desperately needs a cut. This is the strawberry tower. It's not too bad. It's got a few weeds. We had loads of strawberries off this year. And I've got loads of runners coming out I need to get. There's my sweet peas. It's gone a bit wild. There's a fly on it right now. Trying to see if there's any strawberries back here. No. We had loads. It's the most strawberries I've ever had. Off my strawberries from the allotment ever this year. Actually, there's one. Oh, it's been eaten. Give it to the chickens. There's all my sweet peas. Onions, I've got weeds all over, but they're definitely ready to come out now. Quite big as well. The white onions that were a bit later than them aren't ready to come out yet. They'll be in for a while. There's lots of weeds. The shallots are ready to come out. I've got some sauce-seeded nasturtiums and a sunflower. That doesn't like me. All the apples are coming through. So many apples, you can hear the chickens. And these. I can't even get past on the path now, I might have to pull them out. They looked good when we first had them coming through. My lupins need to be cut back. Small cosmos this year. And I've just noticed for the first time today, my giant lilies are through. And they're nice. There's my yellow autumn raspberries. And I've got so many raspberries. Summer fruiting raspberries that have come through. I've already been eating a few while I've been here. I'm not sure if some of them are a bit too soft. And that one's perfect. And there's some more cosmos. Oh, the yellow ones are actually coming through. Didn't notice that. Even though the autumn raspberries. I think Casper can smell the lily. It's really strong. Chrysanthemums, yellow. There's just weeds everywhere. Here is my sweet corn, my two sisters method, pumpkins. There's some pumpkins that just appeared with all this rain we've had. I forgot what that was. Sweet corn. I've got another pumpkin plant there. It's starting to just work its way through all the corn. Got so much weeds everywhere. I'm sure there's a pumpkin in here. Where is it gone? Do you know what? What are you doing? I don't think I planted pumpkins. You look like a pumpkin. But that's definitely a pumpkin. Casper's enjoying the little jungle. So that's how the two sisters' bed's doing. I've got a lot of weeding to do. And I've got, what is it? Tapeberry over there. And it's grew all the way down here on the path. So I need to either cut that back or put it on the path. I mean on the fence. It's already started going on the chicken run, which is good. And I said to the neighbour that they can have some if they want any. Whatever they can pick. Gooseberries. Because this is all new growth, all the gooseberries are at the bottom. But I'm really happy because it's the red gooseberries that I like and not the green ones. And that was red as well. You don't stand on that, Casper. This is the brassica bed. That was all broccoli that we had. That was all late broccoli. That looks really good. It's probably ready now. All the kale. That's ready. Need to weed in between. This is my path. Cabbages are looking good. I'm not going to be able to get in here because I've got these. I didn't even know what they were. Oh, I think they're turnips. It's right where the daughter is sowing. So I'm going to have to harvest them before I can get in. Oh, they've been eaten by caterpillars. Lovely. Oh, my carrots that need to come out. Oh, the weeds are so big here. I've got globe artichokes, the two that are left in to go to flower. And you're looking at next to those chickens. Got some sweet peas on this side. This is the potatoes and the weeds. And nasturtiums. I've got a lot of work cut out for me just because of this month that I've not been at the allotment, but it'll be alright. A week or two's work and it'll be alright. I've still got lots of things to harvest. It's all the peas. Got all the way along. The rhubarb's got massive. I did harvest some rhubarb. You're not supposed to harvest it the first year that you move it. But it's doing so well, I'll just harvest some anyway. Gonna try and get past all this. It's all the spare cabbages that I feed to the hens sometimes. And that's my Brussels sprouts. There was more than one, let's see if one's. Oh, there. Got 3 Brussels sprouts. All the black currants. Are you looking at that? I'll give them some cabbage so they like me. I like that one. So that's it for my July plot tour. Got a lot of work to do, but it's not too bad. Why do you look like you're in a sulk with me? Don't forget to leave a like and comment. Bye! Don't be in a mood with me. Bye! Kiss that. It's August. What are you doing? What are you doing? You kiss. Oh, good boy. No shock.